be all right. It'll be all right. Maddie,
No, not today.
No, it's an emergency.
Goodbye.
Stop.
Bye.
Please, Maddie, don't do this. Please, this is important.
Rachel,
Wait.
let him in. I am calling the police. No, I am calling the FBI. I am calling the CIA.
Stop.
I am calling someone.
Don't
I'm
do
calling
that.
your mother.
Okay, got it.
Maddie, can we just...
Tom, what's going on? You're all over the news. I've been trying to call
I
you.
had to ditch my phone so they couldn't track me.
Track?
Uncle Tommy!
Jojo! Hi.
Now your niece is an accessory to treason. Are you
She's
happy?
not.
Would you calm down?
Calm down. I will not calm down.
Enough.
Yes, calm down. Stop talking. No, Ozzy, please. Ozzy, good to see you. No.
Lord, baby Jesus. What is that, Tom? Is it plutonium? Is it emails?
Yes, it's plutonium. Can we just please, go in the other room and talk? Stop it, Ozzy, quit it.
This is why I told you he was no good.
I'm not engaging.
No,
You're not
no,
engaging.
Ozzy, quit it.
No, open. No, it's unlocked. And
Ozzy,
I'll
no,
leave the
Ozzy,
You're in my
no.
house. Oh, catch me, Georgia.
Oh, thank God. Can I get a glass of water?
I like the way you smile at me. I felt the heat that enveloped me. And what I saw, I like to see. I never... and lives in people's minds. Evil grows in the dark. Where the sun it never shines. Evil grows in cracks and holes and lives in people's minds. And now it seems to be that every time I look at you, evil grows in me.
I just thought you might like a latte with steamed Austrian goat milk.
What do I look like, an imbecile? Of course I want a latte. I love the way you make them! Ready the prototype. With this kind of power, my machines can finally reach their full potential.
He's gonna be okay, Jojo. Oh, thank God. He's gonna be okay, right?
I'm a vet, Tom. I don't even know what I'm looking at here.
Well, he's a hedgehog. Or so he says.
It talks.
Almost constantly.
Holy.
What?
His pulse is super fast.
Well, that actually might be normal for him. I don't know. You gotta help him, Maddie.
I don't know his physiology. He doesn't seem to have any broken bones. He's just really banged up. Look at his poor little feet.
Hang in there, buddy. You're gonna be all right.
Jojo, untie your mother. Jojo, untie mommy. Sweetie. Jojo!
I have to go to the bathroom.
He's gonna be okay, right? Like he'll snap out of this. He'll wake up soon. Oh, smelling salts. Don't you have like vet smelling salts, like for cats or parakeets or something?
No, they don't make cat smelling salts.
They should.
I have human smelling salts in my human first aid kit. Okay.
Come on, buddy.
Gotta go fast! Where am I? What year is it? Is The Rock president?
Whoa, buddy. You're okay. Calm down.
Oh, hi, pretzel lady.
Hi. Tom?
Yeah.
Can I talk to you, please? Space Hedgehog, Stay there. Try to rest.
You got it. I am great at resting.
Still talking.
First of all, can we take a moment to acknowledge how under control I've been?
Amazing.
Didn't freak out.
No.
Totally calm.
Thank you.
Second of all, what the heck is going on? Is that thing an alien?
Okay, so remember how crazy Carl is always going on about the blue devil?
That's him. He's real.
Yeah.
What is he doing here? What are you doing here?
Kind of, sort of shot our little blue friend with your trank gun.
No,
I didn't mean to. Okay, this is kind of hard for me to explain. And it's gonna sound a little bit crazy. He has to get to the Transamerica building, and I promised I'd take him.
Aliens? Maddie, your husband's lost his mind. Okay, use this as an opportunity to leave him. No one would judge you.
So you won't hurt your feet anymore.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No one's ever given me a gift before. I gotta check that off my bucket list. Oh, all right, looking good.
Okay. You said you wanted to help people in real trouble, right? Well, that's what you're doing. Blue alien hedgehogs still count as people, right?
I think so, too.
Yeah.
I think.
Okay.
I love you. Did I tell you that already? I don't deserve you. You know that?
I know that.
So, you're supposed to be Tom's best friend that he won't shut up about. Well, I don't see the appeal. Stop! That is very gross.
Hey.
Hey.
So, my truck still runs, but it's pretty much totaled. You think your sister would mind if we borrowed her car?
You have got to be kidding me.
She'll be fine.
Yeah, let's do that.
This is my